In this video, I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto with crypto.com, plus how you can store it safely in their new secure wallet. The crypto.com platform offers every product possible within the cryptocurrency space, including an exchange, app, cards, earn, credit, invest, pay, and their new wallet. Plus, not only that, but they even have their own cryptocurrency token too. Previously known as Monaco, the platform was launched in 2016 and renamed to crypto.com in July 2018. And with a lot of products under its wing, I thought I'd take you through the combination of their crypto.com app and their wallet to show you how you can buy crypto and store it safely in their wallet, which was launched in May 2020. The crypto.com wallet allows users to securely buy, sell, store, send, and track their crypto. And it supports and allows you to manage your Bitcoin, Ethereum, CRO, MCO, Litecoin, XRP, XLM, and other ERC20 tokens too. With full control over your crypto, your private keys are encrypted locally on your device, and you can easily import your existing wallet with a 12, 18, or 24-word recovery phrase to the crypto.com wallet. And the crypto.com app allows you to buy with 7 fiat currencies by bank transfer and debit or credit card, and 53 cryptocurrencies. And there's 0% fees for deposits, crypto-to-crypto exchanges, and transfers to their own wallet. So let's jump into the crypto.com app now, not to be confused with the wallet, which is a separate app. And the crypto.com app is where you will buy your crypto. And if you already know how to do this part and you just want to take a look at the wallet, I'll pop a timeline in the summary below so that you can jump to that part if you wish. But if you haven't already used their app, I've got a link in the summary where you and I will both get $50 in their MCO token when you stake MCO. And if you'd like to use that link, I'd be really grateful. I also have a separate tutorial for this app, so because there's so many different types of features, I won't be able to cover everything in the app right now. And I'm just going to show you how to buy and send your crypto over to their secure wallet. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my crypto.com app. So now we're in the app, what we can do is we can now buy our crypto. But the first thing we need to do is deposit or transfer some funds. So I'm going to press on to transfer and deposit. And I'm going to select fiat. Now I'm from the UK and I can only deposit in USD or euros. Therefore, I'm a little bit worried about being hit with foreign exchange fees using my standard bank. So I'm going to perform a SEPA transaction from my Revolut account as I have a Euro account that I can use. And when you tap your chosen currency, you'll be presented with all of the details that you need to send your funds across to. Then once your funds have cleared, and for me that was 1 working day for that SEPA transaction with euros, we can go ahead and trade. And I'm going to want to buy. Then as you can see here, there's a whole host of different cryptocurrencies that you can select from the list. However, today I'm going to be purchasing Ethereum. And although I've already funded my fiat wallet, which I'm going to be using for this purchase, there are other ways that you can use, such as a credit or debit card, and usually the fees for this method are about 3.5%. However, at this moment in time, they're currently at 0% fees for 3 months. However, unfortunately, my Revolut card will not support this type of purchase at this time. But as I said, you can also find using a crypto wallet, or you can select fiat wallet, where I currently have 33 euros available to trade with. Then as you can see, an amount of 0.5 Ethereum is currently automatically pre-filled into the box, which you can go ahead and change by tapping onto that number, and then changing to the amount that you'd like to actually purchase. When you're happy, you can go ahead and buy your 0.1 ETH. And then what it's doing is it's showing me a confirmation of the amount, the rate, the fee, which is 0, my method, which is from my Euro fiat wallet, and then it's telling me my total cost for this transaction. So I'm just going to go ahead and confirm. And as you can see, I've now purchased my Ethereum. So I'm going to tap anywhere to continue. And if I go across to accounts in the bottom of the screen and go to my crypto wallet, you can now see the amount of Ethereum held within crypto.com. So now that you have your crypto, you can either use it to trade for more coins, or if you want to hold it, you'll want to store this safely in a wallet with access to your private keys. and Crypto.com now has their very own wallet, which is available on the App Store or Google Play. So once you've downloaded and installed the app, you'll be prompted to connect your Crypto.com app if you have one from the main screen, or you can create a new wallet from here and connect it up later. I'm just going to create a new wallet for now to show you that process. So you'll need to read and accept the terms of service. Then you'll be prompted to secure and protect your wallet with a 6-digit passcode for when you're unlocking your wallet, sending money, or accessing your recovery key phrase. And I'm going to enable Face ID, just to give me an extra level of security there. Plus, you can also add two-factor authentication, such as the likes of Google Authenticator, by using the QR code here. Next, you're provided with your recovery phrase, which is your master private key to your wallet and the assets inside it, and this can be used to import and recover your wallet on a new device. And you'll want to keep this somewhere really safe, as if you lose it, you won't be able to get access to your crypto again, as Crypto.com does not keep a copy. So you'll then be shown your recovery phrase, which is a total of 12 words, which you'll need to write down, and you'll then be asked to confirm the words. And once you're done, your backup will be complete, and you've got some security tips about where and how to store these words. Then once that's all done, we can view our wallet. And from the main screen, we can see our balance in US dollars here, and then each individual balance too. And that shows us for Bitcoin, Ethereum, the Crypto.com coin, and MCO2. Plus, you have quick links to send or receive crypto, which I'm going to take you through in a moment. But the first thing we're going to want to do is connect up our Crypto.com app. So by connecting the wallet, it allows us to transfer our funds easily between the wallet and the app. So what I'm going to do is click on to Connect to Crypto.com app. And it's then asking me to confirm some checkboxes here. So it states here that by connecting the apps, I understand the connection will associate my Crypto.com identity with this wallet. And I can confirm that I am the ultimate beneficial owner of both the Crypto.com app and the Crypto.com wallet. The funds transferred from the Crypto.com app to the Crypto.com wallet are my own funds, and I'm acting for myself and not for any third parties. Then I'm going to go ahead and click on to Connect Now. It's asking me to enter in my Crypto.com app account, and I need to send a connection email. So I've now received an email telling me my request time. It's telling me to proceed with the connection. I need to tap onto the Connect button. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And now I need to enter in my Crypto.com app passcode. And then I need to authorize and launch the Crypto.com wallet. Press on to open. And now it states that it's successfully connected to the Crypto.com app, and I can now easily transfer funds between the two apps. So now that I've set up their connection, I'm going to head over to the Crypto.com app. And I'm going to click on to Transfer and Withdraw. The type of withdrawal that I'm doing is a crypto withdrawal. And as you can see, I now have that connection with my Crypto.com wallet. So what I'm going to do is press onto that. And as you can see then, it's asking me what type of cryptocurrency that I'd like to send across to my wallet. And I'm obviously going to be sending across the Ethereum that I've just purchased. It then asks you how much you'd like to send, which you can type in, or you can press the max button in the bottom right hand corner. You can then put in some additional notes if you wish, and then just press on to withdraw. It'll then give you a confirmation stating how much you're going to be sending, where you're going to be sending it from, the address you're sending it to, the fee, which is 0.003 ETH, and then it tells me the total that it's going to cost me for this withdrawal. I can then go ahead and confirm. And as you can see, my ETH withdrawal request has been submitted, and I can press anywhere to continue. So if I now head back to my wallet, and whilst we wait for those funds to go through, I'll just take you through a couple of the other options on the screen. Now just taking a look at Receive. From here, you can receive a whole host of different cryptocurrencies. So say, for example, you've got some Bitcoin and you've got it in another wallet, but you want it in your Crypto.com wallet. Or if you have some funds over an exchange and you want to store them securely, you can obviously select the cryptocurrency that you'd like to receive. And you'll then be presented with the Bitcoin wallet address, which you can then share and copy. Or alternatively, you could use the QR code instead. And obviously each different type of cryptocurrency will also have its own address. Then if you have some funds that you'd like to send outside of your account, maybe across to another exchange, you can click onto Send. You can select your available coins, and obviously in this case I have Ethereum. You would then put in your recipient address, which you can paste across, or you can use the QR code. As you can see, I also have the option to send across to the Crypto.com app, as that's obviously connected at the moment. You would then press on to Next. You'll be asked how much Ethereum you'd like to send, and you can then go ahead with sending your transaction. Now just taking a look under the settings. In here you can go through and protect your wallet if you haven't already done so, where you can enable your passcode, biometrics and two-factor authentication. If we go into our recovery phrase, in here you can write down your recovery phrase again. You can remove the wallet from your device, and you're going to need the recovery phrase for this part. You can take a look at your connection to the Crypto.com app. You can change certain things in your account, such as your display currency or change some notifications. And then you can take a look at their support options and some bits around versioning and terms of service. So that completes how you can buy crypto with Crypto.com and how you can store it safely in their new secure wallet. But I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews and tutorials. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.